All right, check it out, guys. This car is amazing. Lamborghini Urus, murdered out. Black with the yellow stitching, this beautiful yellow pattern on the seats. It's got the premium stereo system. You know how I feel about those, but we're just gonna skip that part. Suede headliner. I mean, just look at this. Just gorgeous, gorgeous machine, right? The client would obviously like to keep it. So we did a drone mobile with a kill switch. It's just so that he can track the vehicle as well as disable the vehicle. So that's all the client's asking for. We've been getting a lot of that lately. If you just saw our 2025 Honda CR-V video, we had another client do the same thing. He just wanted the ability to track it if it does go away and the ability to disable it if it goes away. Again, we talked about this. It's really helpful. If the car gets taken or if you get carjacked, you're able to disable the car, and then they can't, once they shut it off, they cannot restart. Can we try, Hondo? Is it off? We just disabled it on the computer. We're doing it via testing. And so I'm gonna try and start it. Button is completely dead. I mean, you see, nothing happens, right? All right, enable it, Hondo. So he's gonna enable it. Listen to that. What an amazing sound. I mean, this car just sounds evil. We get asked a lot if Igla or CompuStar or one of these are the only options. They're not. So we've been doing kill switches on vehicles for 30 years. Obviously, they've advanced and they've changed a lot with Igla, CompuStar, a lot of these. There's a lot of versions on the market now. But this is basically a part that we make. We make it, and what it does is it's electronic, but it's mechanical. Obviously, you can't tell you too much, but this allows you to still have a kill switch and you're in control as far as only use it when you want to. It's not for everyday use. This is more for if something happens. If you leave the car and you want to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, or if the car gets taken and you want to find it. The other nice thing about these X1 Maxes is that they have a built-in backup battery. So even if they unhook the battery, the system will continue to transmit the direction the car's heading, where it is, where it stopped, all that good stuff. So it is super useful, obviously, especially on
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.